Hello friends, today I am going to discuss diastolic murmurs. So let's begin. So guys, in order to understand the this murmur part, you should know what is systole and diastole. Systole is basically the part. It is the time during which the heart contracts. Okay, um, and this is the period during which the mitral valve closes. Okay, and therefore we have the first heart sound. Okay, and this is basically a period between the S1, that is the first heart sound, and the S2, that is the second heart sound. Okay, so this diastole is basically a period during which the heart relaxes. Okay, there is a passive ventricular filling of the blood into the ventricles. Okay, so with that said, let's jump onto the part. So we have what types of diastolic murmurs. So I remember this murmurs by the mnemonic arms and parts, where AR stand for the aortic regurgitation, MS stand for mitral stenosis, PF for the pulmonary regurgitation, and TAS for the tricuspid stenosis. ARMS and PRTS, arms and parts. Okay. So in this slide, I have discussed very detailed early diastolic and mid diastolic murmurs. Okay. So early diastolic murmurs means this murmur will start at the starting of the diastole. Okay, and it will fade away in the mid diastolic time. Okay, so we have got G for the Graham still murmur. Okay, when there is pulmonary artery hypertension. Okay, so there is so much of pressure in the pulmonary artery that the blood will leak out from the pulmonary artery into the right ventricle, causing the pulmonary regurgitation. Okay, and this will cause a early diastolic murmur. Okay, and also aortic regurgitation, mild variety will cause the early diastolic murmur, and B for the pulmonary regurgitation. Okay, also mild variety. Okay, so you can remember this early diastolic murmur by the mnemonic gap, where G stand for Graham still murmur, A for the aortic regurgitation, and B for the pulmonary regurgitation. Okay, now coming to the mid diastolic murmurs. So we have got Caricum's murmur, which is in rheumatic heart disease, Austin Flynn murmur, which is in the severe aortic regurgitation, mitral stenosis, and flow murmur, and also tricuspid stenosis. Okay, so you can remember this murmur by the mnemonic CAMFT. Okay.